Ever wondered how dogs actually drink water without making a mess? It's not what you think. Their tongues move with insane precision and speed, curling backward to form a temporary spoon shape the moment they hit the water. As the tongue shoots upward, it literally lifts a column of water straight into their mouth. Then, their jaws snap shut at the perfect millisecond to trap the water before gravity can pull it back down. This cycle repeats multiple times every single second, and this happens several times per second using pure physics to save energy.